Hi guys, how are you all? So, yesterday I posted a story where I asked you all what guilt means to you and what is the definition of guilt for you all. The response that I got, first of all, is so overwhelming. I'm so happy that people wants to speak their heart out to me and want to tell me that what they feel and what is their perspective of particular things, and that makes me, that makes me stay on this platform for a longer time and whatever I'm doing on this particular platform. So the question was that what guilt is according to you or as per you. Uh, what guilt is guilt You must be wondering why it is important for anyone to know what guilt is about. But the thing is, I witnessed, or I just found out that India is among the top unhappy country in the world. Yeah, India ranked among the least countries, like ranked least in the happiness index of the world from like continuously 3 years now. So we the population of like second top country in the world with a 1.3 billion people. We are actually the most unhappy people, and what unhappiness is doing to us is giving us a lot of depression. With that depression, our lives are getting affected. The specifically the younger generation, the people from the 20s, like 18 to 36 or something, like these people are supremely affected by this unhappiness index of ours, which we most people even don't talk about. We don't even know about it, right? So I wanted to know your perspective on guilt. What you people feel that guilt is, and then I wanted to, mix my things, my experiences, and my exposure towards it, and talk to you all. And I thought that this topic is very, interesting, and it's very connecting. So I should talk to you in person rather than just writing it about. So what I conceived from all these like replies of yours and all these responses of yours is that most of you are not afraid or not guilty about what you do. It's about how the people will perceive it, like how the people on the other side of the bench, like your friends, your family, and everyone think about it. The people you love the most, the people you care the most, and eventually at times you don't, the people that just matter to you anyhow, maybe you even hate them most. But still, the idea of like, a society, living in a society, that's what most of you use, that it's not what we decide. It's like, even if we know what we've decided is right, we are guilty that what that particular person will think about us, that I chose this and I didn't do that. So like, I also have been through this, and I also usually be through all this again and again throughout the course of my life. But now with time, I've conceived this one like mantra that I want to talk to you, and one thing that I with time realized that we all need to know, right? And maybe you all know that that's nothing something like a big mantra or something. It's just what I believe in my life and what I am trying to do and what I usually follow. So the thing is that most of us are guilty of what the society is giving asking us to do, be it smoking, anything like anything, drinking or anything. So the society decides if it's right for you or not. Like, these are the parameters that you need to fall into. If you don't fall into, you are not good enough, or you're not, you're not the one who can be, what we say, that you cannot be like praised actually. So you tend to get guilty. You feel guilty that, oh, this particular person is angry or just disappointed with my choice of opinion. But my friend, that's not the thing, right? If you at a particular point feel that this is the best decision and you took that decision, now what the other person conceives about, perceives from it, it's not your fault. It's not what you can do anything about it. It's their thought. Even if you are on the other side, like the other person does something and you don't get it, you don't understand what he has done, and you try to concise it in all that shit, that, oh, okay, write that, like that stuff. So you don't have that right. You shouldn't use that. It's an abuse to someone's decision making power, right? So what I feel personally about what it is, like what I feel personally about guilt is not something. So, so the thing is that what guilt is according to me is like, I feel that guilt is not something that you get because of the decision. You get because of the decision that you don't took. Like there were two options and you choose the first one, and you end up getting losses or anything like whatever the negative aspects of it. You reach to that. Then you decide that, oh, I should have taken that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been feeling this. But my friend, let me tell you, if you even have chosen that, you must have found out any other reason or any other setback in this, in the journey, that you must end up regretting the same thing. So regret and guilt is something that will eventually come to every decision you take, because when we have options, regret is the thing that will anyhow come to you, because we are human beings and we tend to feel regretted and we feel guilty about our decisions. But just one thing that can make you feel like little light on your heart, and just to deal with that shit, is that you took the particular decision in a particular time frame, and that particular decision and particular time cannot be brought back and cannot be changed. That decision was best in that time. Like whatever you decided at that particular time cannot be brought in into now's perspective and judged. Like what you have chosen at that particular time is the best thing that you could done. Even if you have could not done, like it's not the best thing, if you still think that it's not the best thing and it could have been better or something else, but still at that particular time, with your knowledge, your visionaries and everything, that was the best thing that you could do. So regretting about it won't make any difference to you. The one thing that you can take from the past experience of yours is not to repeat it in the future. Now you know what is right and what's not right. Like whenever the two situations, again similar situations come, you know what to decide and what not to. That's a big life lesson, right? You just did a mistake once, even if you did it particularly for that particular category. I'm not selling just only one mistake in life. I'm just saying that particular mistake is not, you'll never repeat that, because you have got a clarity on the points, like which path you need to choose. So regret will come, you cannot stop that, and I can't stop that, and no one can stop that. Regret is our personal need. Actually, we need someone to put a blame on, that oh, I should have done that, I should have done that. So that will come whatever you decide. But at that particular time when you feel all this, you need to tell yourself that, see, what I did was right at the time. Now what I'm gonna do is right for this particular time, and what I will do in the future, that is also dependent on that particular situation, particular time, and what my state of mind is. So that is what you all need to believe in, and that is what I think is guilt all about. So just calm down and just not blame yourself for every damn thing in the world. Even if it is getting wrong, it will eventually, at some point, it will turn. Yeah, it's not like end of the world. Whatever it is, how big it is, doesn't matter. What matters is your take on it. What matters, what you take from it. I'm not being here some like Gyani Baba and on, but what I want to tell you is, everyone is facing those issues, maybe bigger than yours, much bigger than yours, and maybe much smaller than yours. And guilt can't be like big things in the life. It could be like waking up early, sleeping late. All these lead to a bigger bunch of demotivation, and bigger bunch of क्या कहते हैं उसको, it's like bigger bunch of sorrows for you, right? So you end up feeling depressed about your own guilt, about your own decision, which is not even required. You particularly did what was right for that. So what I want to tell you is, just deal with it. Just tell yourself that you did the best, and nothing can replace your experience. And now, whenever the situation comes, you can face it. So that is guilt, my friend, for all of you. And if you think that I'm drawing, I want to add something in it, you can add, and I'm happy to help you all. Thank you, bye-bye, and keep smiling, because that's the most important thing, and that is what is needed in this world, to take us to the rankings better, so we feel better and we are mentally fit rather than just looking fit. So physical fitness is important, but mental fitness is much more important than that. Take that word. Thank you. Bye.